Hello guys, welcome to Deep Elite Coding. Today we are learning what is console input and output, and also their function like clear screen, Getch and Getch. Let's start our video. So what is console input and output? The input-output statements in C# are part of the standard library, enabling programmers to perform tasks like reading data from the console, writing to the console, and managing files efficiently. Learning these functions is crucial for creating interactive and data-driven programs. So basically there are many library functions that I was explained in previous video. I giving timestamp here on the screen. Now we talk about what is. Perform tasks like reading data from the console, writing to the console, managing files efficiently. Learning these functions is crucial for creating interactive, data-driven programs. Now what is perform tasks like reading data from the console? Reading data from keyboard. There are many ways to read data from the keyboard. For example, input stream reader, console, scanner, data input stream etc. Input stream reader class. Input stream reader class can be used to read data from keyboard. It performs two tasks. Connects to input stream of keyboard. Converts the byte-oriented stream into character-oriented stream. Bufferedreader class. Bufferedreader class can be used to read data line by readline method. Example. What you write in keyboard is read by input stream reader, console, scanner, data input stream. Bufferedreader class can be used to read data line by readline method. Now what is writing to the console? You can use this type of lining and spacing while writing the code in the console. Now we talk about what is managing files efficiently. File management in C and assigns an identifier to the file type pointer. This pointer, which contains all the information about the file, is subsequently used as a communication link between the system and the program. The second statement also specifies the purpose of opening this file. The mode does this job. Now what is learning these functions is crucial for creating interactive. Interactive C is a C language dialect consisting of a compiler with interactive command line compilation and debugging, and a runtime machine language module. Example. This is called interactive way of writing code in console. Now we talk about what is data-driven programs in C. Data-driven programming is a programming paradigm in which the program statements describe the data to be matched and the processing required rather than defining a sequence of steps to be taken. One standard examples of data-driven languages are the text processing languages SED and awk1, and the document transformation language XSLT, where the data is a sequence of lines in an input stream. These are thus also known as line-oriented languages, and pattern matching is primarily done via regular expressions or line numbers. Data-driven programming example will be explained next video. Now we talk what is clear screen function and why we use this function in C programming language. The clear screen is a predefined function in C used to clear the console screen. It removes all previous text, giving you a clean screen for new outputs. It is defined in the Caneo H library and primarily used in older compilers like Turbo C. Now we talk about what is Getch in C. Getch method pauses the output console until a key is pressed. It does not use any buffer to store the input character. The entered character is immediately returned without waiting for the enter key. The entered character does not show up on the console. What is Getch in C? The Getch function obtains the next available keystroke from the console. It waits until a keystroke is available. That character is echoed on the screen at the position of the cursor. Use Getch when you don't want to echo the keystroke. The bit function can be used to determine if a keystroke is available. In next part we are learning what is C-type H and character handling. Thanks for watching.